Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 10 by 20 inch canvas primed with Meeden black paint that's now dry, probably with a few cat hairs floating around, which is typical. And I'm probably going to take my Color Arte paints, Prizm Pours, Primary Elements, and Vivid Intense, and put stripes on the canvas and then run a toothy tool through it because I want to. And I'm going to start with Jasmine. And I'm really tempted to go, I don't know if I can promise myself that I'll go straight, so maybe I won't. Maybe I'll make a design. That was Jasmine. I said that's a primary element if I didn't. This is Wild Orchid. It's a Prizm Pour. Yes, I see that. Fortunately, everything is easier to wipe off on a dry canvas. This is a Vivid Intense. This is Periwinckle. In a way too hard to squeeze bottle to do this. Wow, is that a bitch. And I never swear. Alright, I want some blue and I don't have any out, so I'm going to grab some of this that's closed up. It's the blue velvet. Let's see if we can get it open quickly or have to choose something else. Nope, it's not coming open. And it's the exact color that I want. Maybe it did come open. That's good. Let's pop that bubble. I don't think it's going to make a whole lot of difference. And I've got African Violet, and it is open, but it's running low, I guess. I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go gold. Yep, I'm going to go Indian Spice, Prizm Pour Gold, the African Violet, and the blue suede, blue velvet, excuse me, are both Prizm Pours. I like all that, except for that one thing. But for that, I've got Q-tips. Wet the ends. Makes cleanup easier. See, all gold went right on the Q-tip. I'm thinking saffron. And I'm so glad I did it again. Darn. Can I clean it up out of there? That's the question. I can get some of it. Trying to recycle Q-tips, probably not my best course of action. I think it'll be alright. Try not to do that again, Priscilla. Alright, so saffron. I'm kind of wondering if maybe I should just stop and say, it's still doing it. Okay then. I don't know why I'm dripping suddenly. I can't say I've never, but I haven't noticed dripping in the past. This is my sour lemon with a little bit of orange crush in it. drag the nozzle a bit. I am thinking maybe either Jasmine again, or, yeah, I'm going for it. This is the Orange Crush. I am thinking, oh, and it closed itself up. I got it. It's open again. That is the Royal Sapphire. I'm contemplating some red violet Vivid Intense, but I gotta find it. And there it is. I think it's gonna go on the other side, although I could definitely do some yellow. Kind of like that pattern without doing anything to it. How do I keep getting those dots in there? I guess I just don't see everything that's happening. I guess there's no perfection either. Well, I want this on both sides, so I'm just gonna, I'm glad this is an easier to squeeze bottle than the last one. I'm kind of craving some pale blue, but I'm still liking what I've got, and I might stop. I do put GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. I'm wondering if maybe one more strand of turquoise over here would be nice. I'd have to go right off the canvas though. I'm thinking maybe the Periwinkle. Yeah, definitely the Periwinkle. I don't want to do what I wanted to do to begin with, which is okay. This is the bottle that I used the word on, which I might have to remove. But it's not a bad, really bad word. It's just a female dog. I like that in a vertical position. And most of my drips didn't go down over the end. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm thinking one last strand of the gold. I probably don't need it. It'd probably be better to keep that black space negative, but I'm not sure I can force myself to do that. And I can only go to here. So how will I feel about that? I might like it. And I do. I kind of want to fill in a little bit more with the sour lemon, because I can, sort of thing. No other good reason though. Come on, be open. And pop that bubble. I guess it's probably a gimme that you need a steady hand to do this. And I have to be pretty happy that I still have something of a steady hand. I'm thinking Last go around with the saffron. I'm going to have to hit a couple places with a bubble, excuse me, with a torch. I still want to get that spot out of there, or at least blend it in a little better. I guess if I'd made more of a mess, I would be more interested in using the toothy tool, which I'm kind of still interested in doing, actually. I really liked it when it wasn't full, but I don't hate it now either. And I'm wondering if I want a last go round. Maybe, yes, I think with the, still be open now. With the blue velvet. It's still so tempting, I have to say. And that's the Red Violet Vivid Intense. I could still do it. I could. Should I? I don't know. I'd like to take a picture of it the way it is. Maybe I'll do that and come back. I'm going to hit it really quick with a torch because I see a few bubbles here and there. If I do the toothy tool to this, it's going to completely change. So, I'm going to call this stage 1, stop, and come back again. Oh, that's pretty cool from up here. I see something that needs to go, and it's just a paint chip. I got it. And it probably won't make any difference in a minute. I wish my camera would straighten out. I really do. So that was kind of neat. And I'll be back in a minute. So here I am. I'm back, and I want to play with this. I want to experiment, and who knows what's going to happen, honestly. I've got sticks and my toothy tools. And the sticks I could just run through. And I'm really, really tempted to do that, but I think first I have to do what I was thinking about. Although I'm not going to use the fat one, at least not right yet. And I could definitely use my little stamping tools. I could also swipe, but I think I'm going to start with what I've got. Yeah. This is crazy. I did something similar to this not that long ago. I wound up putting dots in it. I might not want to do a whole lot more than I've just done. But that was fun. I gotta tell you what, that was a lot of fun. I think I'm just gonna play fast and loose. That's pretty cool. I'm liking it. I could stop now, but I'm not going to. I am going to wipe off the paint chips on my tool. I will put the video to make the tools underneath the video. There. I think one more and I'm done. That's it. I'm done. I don't know if I want to call that easy or not because it took quite the steady hand, but maybe I'll come back and show you the dry version. I kind of want to do something to that over there. Do I really? Yes, I do. I want To be careful though. There, I don't mind that. Good, I didn't ruin it. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute, or I won't. I have to put that back there. That is just par for the course. That's the way it works. You got to accept what you get. Alright, I don't think I'm going to be doing any dots tomorrow, but depending on how I feel about the dry piece, I'll give you a little shimmer test. Oh, wrong app. I want to do so many different things to experiment. I don't know, it doesn't look that different from up here. And I wish my camera would straighten out. If you knew how it was attached, you'd understand. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and I really, really appreciate that. I want to see you anon. Anon would be 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time most days. You can see that. You can check for that on the on my community board. If you are looking for playlists, there are 30 with 100 videos on them each. The first two playlists of 100 are made into Volumes 1 and Volumes 2, my books that you can find on the Amazon link underneath the link tree. Near the Colourarte coupon code for 20% off. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so you'll help me if you shop there, and you'll help yourself by buying some of their paint. They're awesome. That paint. There's pixel paint designs for Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, and Pebeo paints, and a lot more. Questions are welcomed and encouraged. What else can I tell you? My link tree has everything on it, from Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, a couple of websites. Anyway, go check that out. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. You are welcome. If I do not include the recipe for paint pouring underneath my video, just ask me. I'll be happy to give it to you. It's often under there. I think I said everything I need to say, other than you inspire me often. I love you endlessly. I'll see you anon. Sorry about the crooked picture. And take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.